Hello, friends. I think you are doing great. I'm also doing fantastic, and I think you are learning English in a great way. Today, in this video, I would like to say something about my practicing English, how I practice every day. So, let's begin. Every day, I talk to my friend. There are one of my friend. He always talk to me. We joined on WhatsApp every day at 10 p.m. So and we share topic, and we deliver a speech about this topic, so which helping me a lot. More than 1 year I am talking to him to improve my English. Okay, so firstly I practice with my friend. It's first thing. And then I read newspaper every day. I try to newspaper to read a little bit, because whenever you will read a newspaper, it will improve your reading skill and also spoken English. And then you will be able to learn new vocab from newspaper. So one interesting thing is, when I read the newspaper, then I make video what I read. Okay, it helped me a lot to improve my English proficiency. Okay, and then I try to listen every day. For example, every day I try to watch some cartoon which are motivational. Okay, so why I watch motivational cartoon? It helped me to learn something, and I learn some motivational speech from the cartoon, and also I improve my listening skill. So in this way I practice. Okay, so but I don't practice reading. Okay, I told you that I read newspaper. So while I read newspaper, it will improve my reading skill. Okay, so how do you practice every day? You can share, you can leave a comment with me. Okay, and 1 year ago I created my YouTube channel and Facebook page to show you how I practice my English spoken. And I always try to share my thoughts in English with you on Facebook. But sometimes I get criticized by people that the way of my speaking is very bad. That's why. But I'm not best speaker right now. The best yet to come. So I'm waiting for my best moment. I believe that I'll be a good speaker one day, but there are so many younger brother. They're good at speaking very much, and they're better than me. So, but I follow him very much. Sometimes they share some structure, how they improved. They share with us, so I watch them a lot to improve myself. Okay, and if you want to learn English, you have to practice a lot. Every single moment you have to think in English. Whatever have in front of you, you can translate it in English. Okay,